Here is the Tom Bradley International Terminal, as well as a pedestrian bridge from the West Station. Just wanted to go inside the Tom Bradley Terminal for a moment, see what's popping. A lot of people here still traveling. So progress is still pretty slow here at this end of Tom Bradley Terminal. In fact, this has been over here exposed for well over a year. It almost looks like it's been faded, the green sheathing. But there are workers here. We'll see some welding going on. But this end of the exterior is just taking quite a bit longer than what you've seen with the finished glass exterior. Amazing how some people can just kind of kick it and hang out for who knows how long. Some people pull up here for a minute and security is on them.